up? This your boy Lou, Fenway 2016, coming back at you. Just another quick update. You know what I'm saying? We doing this thing. Cleaning out the barbecue grills. Cleaning out the inside of the barbecue pit cooking area. Look how that thing look terrible. That side already done. This side is getting done. Definitely want to do something like this if you're on a barbecue stand, because you do definitely have code enforcement that'll keep an eye on things like this to make sure everything's cooked properly. Let me give y'all a quick example of how quick this thing make this money. That stuff on there real thick now. I got the water at 245. So any real pressure washing people out there that's doing this, you put it at 245. You prep it first, rinse it. Let me show you a harder spot. Watch how that thing cut right through it. Yes, sir. Easy money, dog. I love the easy spot. That's the more hard spot. The easy spot, just weigh that thing up and down. Up and down. Like I said, I'm gonna hit the floor too with the surfer, get that thing right. I already got my chemical on the ground. This your boy Lou, Fenway 2016, coming back at you. Quick 450 lick, y'all to me. 400 for this, $50 for the grills. He don't want me to do nothing, just rinse them. I ain't even gotta put no chemical, just rinse them. Your boy Lou, coming at you, Fenway 2016.